In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a YouTube account with parental control. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in youtube.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to see your profile icon. What you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for settings and click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface of YouTube. If you look at left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure account option is selected. Now simply scroll down. Now under the section for your account, you'll be able to find this option for family center. So click on this option, manage kids profiles and features for teens. Now you'll be led to another tab. You can see over here you'll be able to add a YouTube Kids profile over here. So what you have to do is simply click on this option, add a YouTube Kids profile. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to find various informations for the parents. Simply read all this information, scroll down. Now click on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your password in order to verify it's you. Now click on the next option. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to create a profile for your kids. So what you have to do is enter your kid's first name over here. Likewise enter his or her age. Now what you have to do is select the birth month. It is completely optional. Once you do that, click on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to choose a content setting for your child. You'll be able to find 3 options over here. You can see the options for preschool, younger and older. Click on the options of your choice according to the age of your child. Now click on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll be able to see the type of content that your child will be recommended. Click on this option, select that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to allow your child to search for the videos. If you want to allow it, click on this option, search on. Otherwise, click on this option, search off. Now you can see over here you're all set. Click on this option, done, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the YouTube profile with the parental control will be created. So that is how you create a YouTube account with parental control. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.